Hello, today we will guide you through how to use OCO in ThinkorSwim. An OCO, or one cancels other, is a handy order type that lets you place two linked exit orders at once, typically a take profit and a stop loss. So when one fills, the other cancels automatically. This helps you define your target and your risk the moment you place a trade. Begin by opening the ThinkorSwim app and signing in. If you prefer to practice without risking real funds, you can switch to a simulated account before continuing. Once you're in, head to the Charts tab. Select the symbol you want to trade and make sure the chart is showing the time frame and price area you plan to work with. It helps to zoom to a level where your intended entry, target, and stop zones are clearly visible. On the chart, bring up the context menu by right-clicking near the price level where you'd like to place your order. If you're on a trackpad or a device without a right-click, use the context click or menu gesture your system supports. From the menu that appears, choose the sample Buy Custom or Sell Custom option. Pick Buy Custom if you're planning to go long, or Sell Custom if you're planning to go short, or set up exits for an existing long position. Next, choose the option labeled With OCO. This attaches a bracket to your order, a limit order for your profit target, and a stop order for your downside protection. Think of it as a pre-built plan. Get me out at this favorable price, or protect me here if the trade goes against me. Follow the on-screen procedure to complete the order ticket. Set your entry details first: order type, quantity, and the entry price you want. Then define the two linked exits. For the profit target, use a limit price at the level where you'd be satisfied taking gains. For protection, set a stop price below your entry if you're buying, or above your entry if you're shorting. You can type exact prices or adjust them on the chart if editing handles are available. Choose your time in force, such as day or GTC, depending on how long you want these orders active. Look for indicators that confirm the orders are linked as an OCO, so one will cancel the other automatically. Before sending, review the confirmation screen. Check the quantities, entry, target, and stop levels, as well as estimated costs and risk. When everything looks right, send the order. Your bracket now works on its own. If the target fills, the stop cancels. If the stop triggers, the target cancels. That's it. By setting up an OCO in ThinkorSwim, you lock in a clear plan for both profit and protection the moment you place your trade.